ఏపీ దీక్ష ఆన్లైన్ టీచర్ ట్రైనింగ్ సంబంధించి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ కోర్స్ 1కి సంబంధించి పోర్ట్ఫోలియో ప్రిపేర్ ఏ సజెస్టివ్ యాక్టివిటీ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ హోల్ క్లాస్ ఆర్ గ్రూప్ ఆర్ ఇండివిజువల్ ఫర్ ది కాన్సెప్ట్ దట్ యూ టీచ్ ఇన్ యువర్ క్లాస్. దీనికి సంబంధించి ఒక గ్రూప్ యాక్టివిటీ తయారు చేయాలి. గ్రూప్ యాక్టివిటీ కానీ హోల్ క్లాస్ యాక్టివిటీ కానీ ఇండివిజువల్గా కానీ ఒక యాక్టివిటీ తీసుకుని మీరు ఒక పోర్ట్ఫోలియో రాయవలసి ఉంటుంది. నేను ఒక మోడల్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో మీకు ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాను. ఏపీ దీక్ష ప్రైమరీ టీచర్స్ ఆన్లైన్ ట్రైనింగ్ కోర్స్ 1 క్లబ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో 1. ముందుగా టీచర్ నేమ్, సబ్జెక్ట్, క్లాస్, సెకండ్ క్లాస్ తీసుకున్నాను నేను. టోటల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ 16. చాప్టర్ షల్ వీ కౌంట్. అందులో టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే మేకింగ్ 2 డిజిట్ నెంబర్ మరియు కంపారిజన్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్. ఇందులో దీనికి సంబంధించి లెర్నింగ్ అవుట్కమ్స్. లెర్నర్స్ విల్ be able to make all possible 2 digit numbers using the given 2 digits and they can identify the numbers which are bigger and smaller. Teaching learning material. Flashcards with numbers 0 to 99. First of all, greeting. The teacher greets the children. Teacher dialogue. Good morning children. Warm up activity. Teacher action. Recall the numbers. Identification 0 to 99. Ability of the students. Teacher gives flashcards. Written 0 to 99 numbers to the students randomly. Teacher has to ask all the children in the classroom about the numbers in the flashcard. Recall the knowledge of 0 to 99 with the help of number strip. Note: write 0 to 99 numbers on a ribbon and place it before to the students. Teacher dialogue. I will give you flashcards with the numbers. You should recognize them. Show me the card and tell me the number. What is written on your flashcard? Write that number on the green board. Teacher turns to other children and say, children, observe the numbers and tell me, is it correct or not? Children, show me the number which I told. Bhavya, find out number 23 on the ribbon. Raju, identify number 18. Yashwant, identify number 72. Next, mind mapping. Teacher action. Teacher has to write 3 on the green board and draw a small line right side to 3 and ask the children. Children, now I will write a number on the green board. Observe it. What is the number I wrote on the board? Likita, write any number from 0 to 9 in the blank. Now tell me the number formed. Ravi, write a number on the board and tell me what that number is. Repeat this activity to 2 more children and ask them to write the numbers like above on the board. Now tell me which is the biggest number written on the green board. Announcement of the topic. Teacher action. Children, today we learn how to form 2 digit numbers using the given digits. Teacher dialogue. Children, forming numbers in this way, you will be able to identify the biggest and smallest numbers. It is also useful to learn the number concept easily in further classes. Presentation. A. Reading. Teacher action. Identification of unknown and new terms by observing the information given in the textbook. Teacher has to write the terms on the green board and explain them, which are identified by the children. Teacher dialogue. Open page number 16 in your textbook and observe the picture and read the instructions given in that page. Open page number 18 in your textbook and observe the steps given to compare the numbers. Teaching. Teacher action. Understanding of 2 digit numbers using 0 to 9 flashcards. Call 2 children in the classroom at random and give 1 flashcard to each. Example, 2 to 1 child and 6 to another. While children doing their activity, teacher has to observe and give instructions as per their needs. Teacher dialogue. Let the children show the numbers to the class. Likita, Bhargavi, come here and pick each one. a card from the cards on the table. Likita, what is the number you picked? Bhargavi, what is the number you picked? Now stand beside each other. Children, read the two-digit number formed with those digits. Now Likita and Bhargavi exchange your cards. Children, what is the two-digit number formed now? Can you frame any other two-digit number with these digits? Which is the biggest number formed by these digits and which is the smallest number? So it is understood that we will form two-digit numbers only with two different digits. Model problem solving. Teacher action. Make all the children sit in half circle. Make two sets of flashcards with numbers 0 to 9 and give it to the children. Teacher dialogue. Naresh, pick cards 4 and 5. Arrange a two-digit number with the two cards. Write that number on the board. Sindhu, pick 4 and 5, another set of flashcards. Now arrange another two-digit number with those cards. Write that number on the board and read that number. Children, can you form any other two-digit number using 4 and 5? Which is the biggest number among 45 and 54? And which is the smallest number? Now tell me which symbol, less than or greater than, is placed between 45 and 54. Practicing skills. Group time or individual practice. Practice time. Divide the children into two groups, A and B. Teacher dialogue. Group A. Children, pick any two cards and give it to the group B. Group B. One of you pick any two cards and give it to group A. Children, now you form all possible two-digit numbers using the cards given to you. Write those numbers in your notebook and find which is the smallest number and which is the biggest number among those numbers. Put the appropriate symbol between the numbers. The group that completes first is the winner's group. Clarification of doubts. Clarification of the doubts. Clarify the doubts raised by the children. Recapitulation. Teacher action. Give any two flashcards having numbers from 0 to 9 and recap the activity. Teacher dialogue. Let the children form numbers and identify the biggest and smallest numbers in those numbers. Repeat this activity with two more children. Assessment. Children, all of you open worksheet 1.7 in your workbook. Complete the exercise at your own. Teacher's reflections. How many students understood today's class? Which activity was done well? Why? For whom my help was needed the most?